Let me hold that. Yeah.
Can you get a good volume on you?
I don't know. We'll try.
So I can call the city. They own the sidewalk.
Where's Mel?
Right. No, he's probably
How's your battery holding? We might need to move your battery.
Okay, we're going to start.
this way, guys. You have to be short people in the front. Rolling.
Rolling, okay. The constitutional defenders of Texas and other patriotic citizens of Dallas-Fort Worth and the Metroplex are here today to serve notice that all three branches of our government have, through executive orders, legislation, and judicial decisions, violated the Constitution of the United States and have gone beyond the enumerated limitations prescribed in the Constitution. We have peaceably assembled here today in keeping with the prescriptions and principles found in the First Amendment of the Constitution. The fifth platform of the First Amendment affirms the right of the people of these United States to peaceably assemble and petition redress for grievances. Our elected officials and men and women appointed to the Supreme Court took an oath to protect the Constitution from foreign and domestic enemies. We have observed that there is a gross dereliction of duty in both political parties to fulfill this fundamental duty and responsibility connected with their oath and their service to we the people. The constitutional defenders of Texas seek redress for grievances evident in unconstitutional acts targeted against our unalienable rights. We have identified a list of 50 constitutional violations perpetrated against we the people of the United States by our government and our elected officials. We have vetted this list with our constitutional attorney, Mr. Michael Conley, who is also the executive director of the United States Justice Foundation. Mr. Conley has affirmed and substantiated our findings. Today, we are petitioning for redress. Redress means to set right, to amend, to remedy, to repair a wrong or ill against we the people. We believe that the federal government cannot be permitted to hold a monopoly on constitutional interpretation. We the people have a role to play in determining what is constitutional or not. We believe it is the stewardship responsibility of the people of the United States to defend and protect our God-given unalienable rights and those principles of limited government embedded in the Constitution. To hold accountable those we elect to both serve our interests and to protect the Constitution. We believe that the National Defense Authorization Act, NDAA, is an example of an unconstitutional law that violates the 4th, 5th, 6th, and 7th Amendment to the Constitution. We believe Obamacare is unconstitutional and that Justice Roberts' decision was unconstitutional and went beyond the enumerated limitations specified to the Supreme Court in the Constitution. We believe that HHS mandate is an encroachment, a gross encroachment on our religious liberty and violates the First Amendment to the Constitution. We have therefore created a petition to send to our elected officials, both in Washington, D.C. and in Austin, Texas, demanding redress through nullification of all unconstitutional acts, and to do so immediately. Our petition can be found at our website, constitutionaldefendersoftexas.com, That's constitutionaldefenders.com of Texas.com. And we are asking all patriotic citizens, men and women in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex, to join our cause by joining us at our website, the constitutionaldefendersofTexas.com, and sign our petition for redress. Help us nullify all unconstitutional acts against our Constitution.
Yeah. Woo. Yeah.